Hello, Lowell Public Schools and students. My name is Christopher Horne. I run Horne Family Farms up in Londonderry, New Hampshire, and I grow a ton of vegetables and food here. And right now I'm highlighting this beautiful crop of kale I have here that you will be eating and consuming. And kale is one of my favorite vegetables and crops to grow because it's pretty easy to grow. It grows really big and beautiful, and then you can eat it in so many different ways. I can literally eat it raw, right off the stem, or I can cook it and make it into lots of different things. So literally, this is the kale you'll be eating in your kale pesto. It's fresh, it's beautiful, and it's very good for you. I love kale. Happy eating.